Hey guys, what's up? And it's time to do a speed test comparison between a Samsung Galaxy A30 versus a Vivo V15 Pro, and this phone comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 675 processor with a 6GB RAM, while the Samsung Galaxy A30 comes with a Exynos 7904 processor with a 4GB RAM, and Vivo V15 Pro is costing around 65,000 and A30 is costing around 40,000 PKR. So let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time, show you what is the difference between a Vivo V15 Pro and a Samsung Galaxy A30. And Vivo V15 Pro faster there, and Samsung Galaxy A30 is also right behind, about 2 second difference there. Let's quickly unlock, and you can see everything goes up in the background, no application on the background, and 6GB RAM versus the 4GB RAM, launching the settings, and faster on the Vivo V15 Pro, and Samsung Galaxy A30 is right behind, launching the My Clock application. Faster on the Vivo V15 Pro, and Samsung Galaxy A30 is right behind, launching the calculator on both phones. Faster on the Vivo V15 Pro, launching some more application like the My Files application. Here we boom. And faster on the Vivo V15 Pro, and A30 is also right behind, launching the FM radio application. And that is faster on the Samsung Galaxy A30, and Vivo V15 Pro is right behind, launching some games application. And first is the Candy Crush. Let's see who is faster when it comes to apps loading speed. And Vivo V15 Pro faster there, but the Samsung Galaxy A30 is also right behind. I mean the huge difference in the processor areas. Next up is the Subway Surfer, and this time the Vivo V15 Pro is super duper fast, and about 4 second difference there in this application. And you can see 4 application, launching the Temper Run 2. And seems like the Vivo V15 Pro is definitely faster there, because the Qualcomm Snapdragon 675 processor, it is very good compared to the Exynos 7904. And last, opening up the application that is called as the camera on both phones up at the same time, and that is faster on the Vivo V15 Pro, and Samsung Galaxy A30 is right behind, launching the internet browser on both from Vivo Internet versus the Samsung Internet browser. Show you guys what is the speed in Internet browser. And launching the first website is the facebook.com, and same Wi-Fi network as well on both phones. And faster on the Vivo V15 Pro, and Samsung Galaxy A30 is right behind, launching the next website is the twitter.com. And Samsung Galaxy A30 is looking like faster there. And yeah, the Samsung Galaxy A30 faster there, and Vivo V15 Pro is still taking some time, and now it is also done, and you can see looking very smooth on both phones. So let's see the important part of this video, the RAM measurement. 6GB RAM versus a 4GB RAM. And right now it is not refresh on both phones. Both phones are looking incredible in the RAM management. Subway Surfer is not refresh on both phones. and last is the internet browser. And overall I have to say that the app's operating speed, it is definitely faster on the Vivo V15 Pro, and A30 is right behind to the Vivo V15 Pro, about 2 or 4 second difference here in the app's loading times. And RAM measurement is same on both phones, not much a difference between a 6GB RAM and 4GB RAM inside the A30. And I have to say that Vivo V15 Pro comes with a triple cameras and extra lens is having a depth sensor, and this phone is also giving you a in-display fingerprint scanner as well as a motorized the pop-up camera. And you can see, and thank you so much for watching this speed test between a Vivo V15 Pro versus a Samsung Galaxy A30. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for future content. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter as well. And you want to see some more videos about the A30 as well as the Vivo 15 Pro, let me know. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.